Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to deposit and withdraw from Terrib platform. In the last video I discussed about how to create account, also verify. That's why in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to deposit and withdraw, also how to trade in this broker. I will discuss about it. For deposit you just select the real account. After that, from deposit option you can deposit. From click the deposit button, then you select your payment method, how to deposit. From same here select Skrill. From same here you select amount. I select $50. Then you select payment account, email and account password. Then click login button. Click pay now button. From same here I select email pin verification. Then I am click continue. From Skrill email I got a mail this code. From same here I click continue button. This is pin number, Skrill account pin number. Then click continue button. Your transaction is complete. Check this account balance is added. From same here you can close it. Now you can trading. You can select any option from same here. Also you can change the color. From same here you can choose multiple. I choose the high and low button. Then from same here I select the higher and lower. Means when the price is low, from same here I select it. I'm going to trade. Also you can select indicator, others, lots of things. I select lower. Oof. I am in this state. From here with the demo account you can practice. After that you can trade in real account. When you are comfortable in demo account you can try in your real account, then you can make profit, otherwise you will be lose. Lots of option is there. You can check for yourself from same here. Also the from same here also when you are practice must be select demo account. After that when you are comfortable then you can go to the real account. Right now I am going to share with you how to withdraw your money. From cash option you select the withdraw button, then click here request for email. Then you get email. I got this email. Then click this link. Then this is verified. Then you can select your amount. I select full amount. Then I click this Skrill option. From same here you can go any comment. Then you click the request payout option. My withdraw request submitted. After 1 or 2 hours it will be complete. This is now pending. From this broker I got a last 2 withdraw. I will show you this withdraw. Check. I got this withdraw from Terrib.com. Also I get another withdraw. I also got this withdraw from Terrib.com. This is $300. This is my profit money. You can choose this broker for binary trading, and this is the good platform. Also you can enjoy this platform when you are trading. My thing you understand this video, this about withdraw and deposit video. Thanks for watching this video.